Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to mirror your Apple Watch Series 9 on your iPhone. Let's get started. So as a first step, open settings on your phone and scroll down until you will see this tab accessibility right here. Click on it. Scroll down until you will see this tab named Apple Watch mirroring. Also click on it and enable this function. After this, you'd be able to control your watch right on your phone. Let me show you. So for example, we can click on this digital crown. Afterward, we'll open the applications. You can scroll through or open settings, for example, like this, and do something in here by clicking. Everything the same like on your watch. We click on this digital crown, we can go back to our watch face and also click on this control panel on the side button, which is located right here, and also manage it as you want. That's kind of cool feature, and now you know how to mirror your Apple Watch to your phone. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.